So far, nakikita ko dito, hindi ko naman sinasabi na talagang kailangan ma-in love ka. In fact, being single is not a time to look for love. It is a time for you to be able to grow. At the same time, makita mo yung individuality mo eh. Kasi, from there, pag mahal mo na yung sarili mo, that's the time that you'll be able to love somebody. Kasi kung hindi mo kayang mahalin yung sarili mo, paano ka pa magmamahal na ibang tao? Eh, doon nakikita ko sa kanila na they're trying their best, they're growing. They're growing. So, maaring talagang, syempre, sabihin na natin, pag ma-in love ka, hindi ibig sabihin, yun eh, yung puro kagandahan yun eh. In fact, yung iba nga sasabi na, pag first time parang stressor dahil kasi 'di ba parang iintindihin mo pa palagi yung meron kang academics, meron kang trabaho tapos in love ka pa na nape-pressure ka kasi magte-text ba palagi, sasagutin mo ba yung mga messages. So pwede siya maging stressor pero kung happy ka, alam mo kung paano ka magiging contented na hindi pa talaga sa'yo yung right na relationship, malaking factor yon. Pwede naman dito kasi yung pagkakakilala nilang tatlo can be an inspiration to each other. Yun yung maganda ron.